Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a wolf. There's a lot of wolf drawings on this channel. I'll put the link in the description to the playlist of that. Uh, but it's going to be simple and easy, alright? It's going to be for beginners especially, and I'm going to walk you through it. The whole lesson's about 8 minutes or so, and that's it. Let's jump into it. It's going to be like the headshot, by the way. Also, don't forget, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. Alright. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to throw a line upward. Small line upward. And we're starting with the back of the ear. Curve forward. And down. That's the ear there. Almost looks like a... I don't know what it looks like. Up over here on this side. For the back side ear. Forward. Down. Out over here for the top of the head. I'm going to pull down here. And I'm going to curve downward here for the front of the face there. Where the eyes are. I'm going to go straight out now. This is going to go all the way to the tip of the nose. Down here for the front of the face there, front of the snout. And I'm going to pull back for the bottom of the snout here. Curving down, out. So it's coming out for the chest area. Down, up. Down over here, up. For kind of the fur on the chest there. That's what the zigzag shapes represent. I'm going to go from here, I'm going to pull back in a circular pattern right there. Kind of a circular motion. Up. And then curving in here. Line over here for the front of the eye. It's like a very small eye. Don't forget to hit the like if you can. It helps the channel out, it helps the algorithm out here. If you do like the video so far. So, and I'm gonna pull a line back. Top of the eyelid there, and then up over here.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine.
Curved line here for the eye. Maybe up here for a small eyelid. And maybe like a little smile thing here. Gonna throw a curved line here for the back. Throw a line inside the ear here. Inside. Line here. And a couple of dots at the front. And if you want, you can throw some sharp teeth coming down. Sometimes you can see them. Over here, throw the other inner ear area. Maybe a line down here. Line inward here. But we're pretty much, for the most part, done. This is a wolf looking to the right here. And you can add these shapes like a vignette, right? Anyways, that's mostly it. I want to thank you very much for, you can throw maybe like a little, what do you call it, like a line, like a bag into the eye a little bit. Thank you so much. That's one way to draw a wolf. Let me know if you have any other ways that, you know, any other wolf poses. Do you want like a wolf playlist? I can do that for people if you want. I noticed that people like the wolf drawings. So like I said, let me know with your likes. Also let me know with your words. If you want to comment, let me know. Because if that's the case, I will make a full-blown wolf playlist. But you have to let me know. Thank you so much. I will talk to you next time, and I will see you very, very soon. You are amazing. Like I said, the best thing you can do to do with it for the channel, if you do want to give back, is to share the video with a friend or press the auto share button on the bottom right hand corner and then share it with on a social media platform you're already on. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time, and I will talk to you very soon. All right, see you later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload. And on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.